What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We had an awesome weekend this weekend. We were racing at the Redemption 3. It's a no prep we host down here in South Florida. We entered the small tire class and the tailgate class. Ended up taking home some money in tailgate, and in small tire we ended up blowing off the tires because the truck dead hooked in the burnout and we didn't get enough heat in the tire. That's why I posted that video earlier about tire temperatures and stuff like that when you're no prep racing. So if you want to check that out, it's on the channel here. So yeah, we're taking that win home, and we are going to head to Southern Chassis Works today and start tearing the truck apart, because you know, whenever we're winning we seem to put ourselves backwards again. So let's head over there and get to work.
Later.
Good day, sir.
No. It's been a long fucking day.
It's been a long day of fabrication work today, for sure. We're making changes. You know, something we never do.
3 days before a fucking race.
3 days before a race, what do? Take it all apart and redo it all.
Your name's Mike Forley.
So, as you can see, we've freed up a lot of real estate up front here.
How many times have I had these out today?
That's probably the 30th. Maybe not that many. We are making some custom headers to run down the side of the frame. I'm currently working on the electrical to do all the wastegates, etc. Turbos are now mounted here on the back of the bed, and they're going to be a self-contained oil system. And yeah, we're plugging away. We got a giant cash day street race this weekend, so today is Tuesday. We'll see how it goes. Alright, it's time to go to work. Back on our way to Southern Chassis Works to keep working on that turbo kit. Let's head on out.
Years later.
Well, it's Friday and we're still going. It's been the longest week ever this week. Just painting up the exhaust pipes. Those are going to run underneath the truck. Heat wrap the pipes going into the box. Mike's just finishing welding cold side from the motors all done. Had to modify the catch can, so we've shortened the catch can. And yeah, it's crunch time. Tomorrow's the race, so we're pushing to get this done today. Time?
9:48.
9:48, and she's complete, ready for first fire.
When did we fucking start?
We started Monday morning, realistically around
1:30.
1:30, and it's Friday at 9:30.
PM.
So let's fire this bitch up.
We don't ever fucking start anything at 9:30.
No. Everything gets started.
Mike's still staring at his fucking eyelids.
Alright, pump.
Make sure it's not leaking. Got it in neutral.
We're gonna need some power first. Ain't gonna do nothing.
That helps.
So we got the truck all finished. We went out to the Florida Cash Days last night, did a little bit of racing with it, got back super late, just going over some of the data logs. So the new turbo kit, weight wise, has definitely changed the bias in the truck, which is phenomenal. Definitely helped us on a backside deal. Having those turbos on the front of the truck has really hurt us on the backside because we were front heavy. It's taken a lot of bias weight to convert the truck so that it hooked on crappy surfaces. So what we have found though is we're struggling to make boost now. I think the exhaust side of the pipe work that we put in might have been a little bit too large. Just going over the logs here. So as you can see, this was our first pull on the street. We're commanding 25 on the dome and only making 5 pounds of boost. And this is our RPM line. A normal RPM line goes pretty much straight up to here, shifts, etc. The truck was super laggy yesterday, so at 2.4 seconds after letting go of the button, we're only making 5 pounds of boost. By 4.3 seconds, it's finally starting to catch up on the boost ramp, and we're making 22 pounds of boost when commanding 30. Problem being, we're still losing boost pressure on the shift, so we're definitely going to have to address the exhaust side. So I've ordered some smaller stainless pipe. I think the exhaust side was too large, so we're actually losing volume in the pipe, velocity, which with the big turbos we have on this truck is hurting us. It's just not making boost. So we're going to try putting some smaller pipes on it to get more velocity, and if that doesn't work, we do have a nitrous kit we've had on the truck. We haven't been using it for anything, but we might end up having to use it just to help spool the turbos down low. So we're going to give all that a go this week, and yeah, see what it does. So this is our new build for 2024. I appreciate all you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. I make these videos for you guys. I hope you're enjoying them, and we'll keep you posted on what we're doing with the truck. We have a lot of events planned this year, and hopefully we'll see a lot more winter circles in 2024. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.